Helpful tips about how to make money online that are simple to follow. There are many benefits to making money online. You can stay in your pajamas as the cash flows in, you don't have to spend money on gas or food, and you can spend more time with loved ones. But, there are some things you need to know first. Read about important tips on making money online here. If you are a good writer, there are many opportunities for you online when it comes to making extra money. For example, check out video writing sites where you can create content to be used for search engine optimization. Many pay more than a few cents per word, making it worth your while. Get paid to review some of the new products that are out on the market today. This is a great way for companies to determine if their new products are a hit or miss, as they will pay good money to get an opinion on them. Get the word out on these products and pull in the cash. If you have good ears and can type quickly, you might want to look into online transcription jobs. The beginning rates are usually low, but with time and practice, you can build up your skills to tackle some of the better paying jobs. Try looking on Odesk or Elance for some transcription work. Figure out how much you are looking to make before you begin. For example, I don't want to work for less than $15 per hour, otherwise spending time with my family or completing chores would be more worthwhile to me. What is your worth? Once you determine it, stick to your guns. In conclusion, there are many perks to making money online. After all, who wouldn't want to sit on the sofa or lay in bed while making money? Now that you have watched this video, you have a better idea of what it takes to make money online. Use these tips to your advantage. Student loan.